Let's see which one you guys like the most.
The third wish?
I don't like the ones that aren't gross and scary.
Hey everybody, how are you?
Hello, so we are, let the diesel truck
Let the diesel truck go by. Diesels are so noisy.
Right.
The cars on the inside, so quiet.
Okay.
Hey everybody.
So
Take two.
we are headed down to Kemah,
No, Texas
actually
City.
Texas City, but south of Houston, to look at a boat that is on the hard, and we know very little about it.
Right. Neither does the guy that owns it, apparently.
Right. It's a Craigslist ad, and we know very little other than it's a Beneteau 44 and appears to be a center cockpit, which we're actually really interested in.
So.
Well, we'll look at that after we. So the hatch is open, the windows are open, the hatches are open, and the bilge is full of water. Holy cow. This refrigerator is full of water. You're done? Is it really that bad? Liner that's falling down because it's so wet. Okay, holy scary.
You get it out? You get it, Liberty? Careful coming over. You sure it's safe? Yeah.
Want this boat? I'll help you. Hold this. You watch me for a minute.
This winch is a little bit loose. It probably could be fixed.
Alright, we're gonna get down. What is it?
This is where you fill your diesel fuel and stuff like that.
Alright, come on, baby.
Ready? Yeah, turn around. Turn around. They're going down like a ladder. Stop. Take off here. Step on that ladder. Oh my goodness. Well, let me put it this way. When the baby girls were crying to leave, like right after we got on the boat,
yeah, I don't know. So, all right.
pretty tight. Yeah, it's pretty tight. So,
Half mile. Turn left onto Texas 96
we're gonna go.
West.
We're gonna go look at some other boats that are in the water and floating. So we'll
Just
talk
for
to you
fun.
soon. Bye bye.